Okay, we're live now too on my end. Hello, everybody.
Yay, let me start the stream together.
Let me pick my server as well.
I got some cool shit to show off.
Yay.
You haven't pushed anything up, have you?
No, I really haven't. I have the damage numbers, but I think that's about it.
Damage numbers?
On the cards.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, you said damage numbers, and my programmer brain was like, damage numbers.tsdn? What are we doing with that? Yeah. Alright, I invited to stream together.
Yes.
I think I would open up good .4.5.1. Have you made an announcement in your server about the Steam playtest yet? Like about the approval?
Yes. No, not about the approval. I was just gonna wait till we publish it, because
okay,
that might be tomorrow, maybe Saturday. I don't know. It depends.
I think it's. I'm assuming it'll be tomorrow.
Yeah,
I think that we are.
Yeah, it's just me. I'm just very fried, and hopefully I can get stuff done tonight and tomorrow, but I just don't know.
Well, I mean, how much more do we? We'll go over the list of like things that we. But
I think one of the main things that I had was like enemies, like one or at least maybe one more, but I started trying to work on that last time, and I just forgot.
Yeah, that happens.
And I don't know if I'll be able to do that tonight. I don't know what is up. I'm just trying. So I can probably go through and do some of like the little things, or if there's like some art stuff I can work on.
Yeah, if you want to clean up some of the VFX on certain things, I'm sure that there's a gajillion things of that, or like even just playtesting, or you know, whatever.
So what do you want?
So let me know whenever you're watching, and I got some cool shit to show you. So the first thing is the charges. People on stream haven't seen this, but I added a charge shader based on the thing that JW wanted last time. So if I go ahead and use the knife, you'll see this little thing come up, and it is desaturated, and it has this line on it. One cool thing is it does like a little, because before it was just like statically moving across. Now it like slightly shifts as it moves across. It just makes it feel a little bit more organic. The parameters on this are also controllable by the shader. So if I go in here and grab the shader, so if I were to move this over so that it's halfway through the charges, I can change the size of the border, which is cool. I can also change the oscillation size, so that is the left and right amount. So if we want it to be more,
that looks weird.
If we want it to be none, want it to be a little. And then also there are the two frequencies. So the waves that are there, if I just set this one to 0, it will be nothing. It's just a sine wave going up. If I were to set this to 50, that's like 50 sine wave, whatever the fuck units. I don't exactly know how this is calculated. I just know that this results in a number and the other one results in a number.
True. But
combining them together makes kind of a more unpredictable looking kind of thing. There's also noise that is currently not being used. It can be used, I think. Apparently, I thought it could. Maybe the noise doesn't do anything, actually. I have no fucking clue. I don't think it does.
Brother,
whatever.
You made this.
Yeah, I did, but I think I killed the noise because I wanted to get it working without the noise first. I also made it pixel perfect, you can see. Like it is just pixel perfect, which required me to play around with this a lot, because this was like slightly off. One thing that I did realize that made it not pixel perfect was this is still pixel perfect, apparently.
It looks close enough.
It is pixel perfect. I think that's actually not being fucked with in the shader. Let me take a look. Card Y. Wrong shader. Thank you. Thank you for not opening up the shader that I have highlighted. Oh, yeah, that's actually not being fucked with, it looks like. Okay, yeah. So let me do times Y scale.
I mean, a feeling the game you're making is going to have similarities to Inscription. I need to play Inscription. I have not played Inscription.
Really? Do you know anything about Inscription?
I know nothing about Inscription.
Oh, dude, that's sick. The answer is I don't believe it will.
I've had people say that, but I'm like I haven't played it, so I don't know.
Yeah. So if I were to go in here and then change this to be like 500. So you can see this. So that was what was happening last night where it wasn't pixel perfect
Yeah.
because of those weren't like clipped to the y-axis, but I made it clip to the y-axis, so now it's like actually pixel perfect.
Tough.
The oscillation speed can also be changed, although I don't. There you go.
Fire.
Yeah, so if you wanted to move more, you could. And then I believe that's it, really. But it works. It's good. It feels good. I like it. The way that it animates based on how many charges are used is good.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can kind of play around with that after I push this up at some point. I think that you're probably going to be more happy with the way this is right now than the old.
Yeah, I think that's pretty much perfect.
Yeah.
This looks cool in your hand.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's this issue. I need to fix this. Don't worry about that.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's because these are.
Does it look weird in your deck too?
It does, but not. Or no, it doesn't. I guess.
Okay.
There's. Yeah, don't worry about it. It's just a material issue.
Because before it used to be that the mask thing would show up in the deck as well, or the shader, whatever.
Mask.
Whatever the charge amount.
Oh
like,
yeah, I actually changed that. I don't know if you want it to be there.
No,
I removed it.
I don't. Yeah.
Okay.
That's how it should
Yeah,
be.
because I was like, I noticed when it was. I mean, I knew that was a thing that already happened. I also made it so that if you'll see, whenever I use up enough mana that I can't cast the soul projector, it doesn't actually dim here either.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, so that's a cool thing. Because that was before really annoying. But yeah, the issue is actually that description card does not have the correct material on it. Or hold on, I need to figure out where the hell this is going. A description card uses, I believe, a display card. Yeah, there you are. I'm just consolidating all of the materials into one.
I see.
Because for some fucking weird ass reason, I had them set to like just the material that you could edit. But this should be, why the fuck is it doing that? Why is it over there? What? Oh, I know. Card. It's because it's called hand card now. There we go. So now this should be using the correct ones. Now I think if I were to rerun, it was using like an instance version of the material, but now there we go. So now that doesn't have the issue, and this doesn't have the issue, and neither does the forge. It is just whenever it's in your hand, it will have that.
Good.
Yeah, there's the one issue. This cut thing that we had, I think, before. I don't remember what the values were. I'll actually check my git. But yeah, that's the first thing that I wanted to show you. That was really cool. While I'm thinking about it, let me fix this issue, which is handcard.tscn. I think I committed this up, so hopefully show history. Show history. Thank you. There we go. 75, 125 is what it's supposed to be. Hand card. Min cut is 75, 125. Stand corrected. It's nothing like Inscription. Yeah, pretty much. Inscription is a really cool game, though. I definitely get the vibe that you're talking about, though, with the cards being like all cool looking.
I think the cutout should be less,
no.
but whatever. We'll figure that out. Oh, you can.
Yeah, I think that's based on the enemy.
Yeah.
Or actually, maybe I didn't change that correctly. Maybe I hadn't committed that up. Let me change it really quickly. And card, remote, card. What is this? What card is this? This is a knife. Knife. Card knife. And where's material? Show me your material, bitch. Oh, it's not gonna show me its material. Sub, import container. Aw, dude, you're being annoying. It's being so annoying. Which one is that? Who are you? And what did you just do? Sorry, I'm gonna put this back over so you guys can at least see what I'm doing. Where? Let me just burrow down into the hand and find it. Alright, so material, if I were to change this now, what cut amount do you think it should be? So let me set this to like...
just like barely larger than the enemy.
So for min size, is that right?
Yeah, about.
Or would you want it to be
maybe even a little less?
A little less? Okay, I could do like.
Because like
40, see what
you want to be
like.
able to see the enemy,
Okay.
but you also want to be able to see your cards.
Yeah, so something like that.
Yeah, although something weird's going on there. Because the other, I
Yeah,
think the other cards.
just look at this knife
Oh,
card.
okay,
Don't worry
I
about
see.
the other ones. I'm only
Yeah.
changing one material because they're all unique.
Yeah.
So is that the size that you want it to be? And
Yes.
then how with okay, and then for fade, is that enough fade, or do you want more?
Sorry, I yawned. Yeah, that's good.
You're good. Okay, this is good.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's 40 and 75. So we'll do that. So I can go in here, and now I can set this to 40 and 75. This was something we set up before, but because I made them all use the same material, it got overridden.
Nice.
And I think I hadn't committed that up yet, so it just kind of got lost to time. So yeah, now it should look like that, and then the worm enemy should also have his segments have the thing on them like from before.
Yeah.
So like that, which is cool. So yeah. And then the other thing that I added was something that I said I don't think is going to be added, but I lied because I do that sometimes. Which is if I open up a card pack, you can choose to skip.
Oh, nice.
And if I press escape, it skips and doesn't pick the card. And then also, if I were to pick up a sticker capsule and use it, where's the button? Oh no, I haven't added the button yet. But if I press escape, I can skip picking it.
Okay, nice.
Because I know you had talked about wanting that.
Yeah.
So yeah. And then I also noticed something, which is that this button is off center.
Or are the cards off? So?
That's what I'm about to find out. It is the button by like a lot. Because the edge of my screen is there, so the button's further to the right. The card should be centered. Like if I were to do edge to edge, and then move that over. Yeah, that's centered. Hey, just watched your video about inheritance composition. Saw you were live. Wanted to join us. Say thank you for sharing your knowledge with us. Of course. I'm glad you enjoyed it. I'm glad you enjoyed it enough to come into the live stream and say something. It means a lot to me. What doesn't mean a lot to me is this stupid fucking keyboard that is still having the S issue. It's actually crazy. It wasn't doing this earlier whenever I was just like coding on my own. Yeah, the button's definitely off center. Oops. I will just make that there and then go to the... Oh, I know what the problem is. The animation for that button coming up is hard-coded, isn't it? It is. There we go. So instead of fucking with the button directly. You are instead going to fuck with the layout, custom preset, anchor offset, and the bottom. Which right now is 98. If I were to move this so that it was like further.
I figured out one thing I can work on while I sit here.
What's the one thing?
Going through all the rooms and fixing the random floating
oh, that's true.
decorative things that I don't. So it's the 2 tile tall like hanging things. For some reason,
Yeah.
it looks like all of them got shifted down by like 1 tile for no reason, and it's only those.
Yeah, I don't
Everything
know
else
why
is
either.
fine, but
It's very weird.
I can just go through and manually all of them.
These in out. And then I will set this to, what's a good pixel size for the, or good pixel amount for this? 0 is not right. 50, minus 50 is not right either. We'll say like minus 128 because I like powers of 2.
One thing we definitely need to make sure we have in the playtest is like a screen that says this is horribly unfinished and we're working on it.
Yeah, I agree.
It looks like some of the spider webs might have gotten messed up too. Maybe it's just that one.
That's because they're too tall, right?
Yeah, but I don't. But they're, I think. Yeah, I guess they are the only 2 tall. So. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, I actually added one more super small thing that you might not have noticed, but like definitely matters. I'll show you in just a second.
Well, here's not a spider web, and it's fine. Maybe it's only if they're in a certain orientation.
Yeah, I don't know, to be honest. I have no clue what could have caused it.
I think it was when we
Oh.
updated like one of the versions it happened. If I remember
Is
correctly.
that like that? You're not supposed to be doing that, buddy. Oh, I see. Huh. Why is it so tall now? Let me just redo this animation. I'll just redo it completely rather than trying to fix it. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, dude. Why is the screen flashing? Don't do that. Let's see. Oh, did I undo? I think I fucked something up somewhere. Yeah, okay, cool. And then I will do this, you, and you will be centered, except that you will actually be, when active, moving control nodes changes their anchors instead of their offsets. Okay, so I actually do want this to be keyed based on the offsets. Yeah. Okay, cool. We're chill. It's also so funny to me, completely unrelated to anything on the stream. It's so funny to me that Wilson started installing Linux the same day that I did yesterday.
Quite
like,
funny.
with literally no communication. He was like, "Oh yeah, I switched to Linux," and I was like, "Dude, me too." And it was also really funny to see, like his experience versus mine, because of Nobara was just so much easier to set up than half the shit that he was trying to do. Unfortunately.
Okay, there
Why
we go.
is
All
this
the rooms should be
off?
fixed.
Why is this off center now?
Is it
Your anchor
because of the
I don't know, but it's back to normal now. Weird.
Weird.
There's no reset on this, is there? It changes it? No. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. And nothing here. Weird. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that, whatever. And then for close, I will key and key.
There we go. It's nice to have decorations that actually work out here. I'm still on Video Vision. Sorry.
Yeah, how dare you? Disgusting.
No, that's terrible.
Also, all the changes I just showed you today were all done on Linux.
Whoa.
And I have just opened up my Windows version and I can just still work on it. Same repository, not even pushed up. Which has some drawbacks that I'll show you in a second. But so yeah, the button is now centered. One thing I changed, if you want to take a look at my screen real quick.
Yeah.
Let me know when you're looking.
I'm looking.
So whenever you open up this, so you see it goes dark and it's whatever. When you pick a card, it unblurs the background.
It doesn't have that weird like snap.
Yeah. Because you talked about that. So yeah, I just added that. So yeah, I just polished up a bunch of things.
Yeah, it's really good.
Because I thought that they needed a little bit of I don't even know if I would call them polished. I just made them not so bad. Also, whenever you click on a card, it makes the tooltip go away. So that, because on controller, it would like just stay in the center of the screen the entire time. Okay. Okay, so what do we have before the playtest? What do we want to get in before? Hello, Filippo Crypto.
I don't know.
It's fine. So we have, oh yeah, they have the card exhausting on the thing.
Yeah.
If you have that working, right? Like up to the point where it doesn't exhaust. I meant sorry, like
so.
gives you the.
Let me double.
Okay.
Check. Wasn't there
Yeah,
some
if you
bug where it
have
was
that
like
card-
double drawing or something?
Yeah. Yes. Because it was using the card and it would fill it back in. But you
Yeah.
shouldn't have to worry about that, I don't think.
Yeah. Yeah, that works.
Yeah, like if you were to use that card now, does it? Oh no, it looks fine.
Yeah.
Well, how many cards do you have in your deck? You didn't have any cards to draw. You're also not in combat.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you did have cards to draw. You're not in combat.
Yeah. Try going in. Yeah. It does
Okay, yes,
double
it does
draw.
double draw. Yeah, don't worry about that. I can fix that. But with the fact that the card is working, if you want to
Yeah.
push that up,
Let me just check my changes. I
Um,
should be able to push everything up.
yeah, and then I can do the card exhausting part and the fix to the hand because I have some changes to the deck on my side that kind of make that fix a thing. And then so let's take a look at. I'm probably going to lock in tonight and tomorrow for some of these things. So I think for the most part, a lot of these will be.
Oh yeah. There's no
Oh,
balance
could
things like that.
yeah, you could do some.
Make some
You could do
more
some of these,
rooms.
honestly. Yeah, you can make rooms and you could do balance stuff.
Yeah.
Tutorial would be cool. That's not a huge deal. I think the main thing is just like showing the controls. But
Yeah.
playground would be cool. This doesn't matter. Main menu's fine enough. You said you didn't want them to rotate whenever the player hovered over them. Oh fuck!
let
I
me
remember the
see.
thing. Yeah. Those were the ones that you wanted it. Whenever the player hovered over, they would turn towards the players, like the cursor. Right?
Wait, what?
You wanted it so whenever the player hovered over this, they rotated towards the cursor rather than doing the flip thing there.
Yeah, so like a normal inventory card.
Yeah. I can do that. I also need to fix that, which is very funny. Because they're using the same shader as this, just not the same material. So I need this to not do any of that. That's funny. Sorry. For the save system of the game, do you use resources or some other format like JSON? I've been working through this with one of my projects and was trying first with resources. So we haven't gotten to the point where we're saving a whole lot right now. The only thing that we're saving, as far as I'm aware, is just controls and settings. Saves is an empty folder, which is very funny. So we have JSON for controls because I found that way easier to work with. And then for the settings, we're using an ini file, which is just like it's kind of like YAML a little bit. It's not like YAML. It's like a config file. In terms of actual saves, we would probably use... Let me think about that for a moment, because I haven't really thought about it. Resources would be nice, because it would be really, really like neat and serialized. However, I think we'll probably end up using JSON just because of the fact that we can kind of convert things to any data type that we want, rather than having it be just like a direct resource thing.
Yeah, sure.
Although maybe we use binary. Maybe I write a binary thing. It makes binary save files relatively easy to do.
Maybe.
A very soggy croissant and very furry noodle. Hello, Master Liberty.
Hello.
How you doing?
Hi. Hello. Hi.
I'm a very sleepy noodle.
Very sleepy furry noodle. What is full card dot rotation? I want to grab. Okay, I see. Var card rotation is a vector 2. Yeah. To make the sprite work myself, I don't. He does. JW Temper Cat Games over here has done all the sprite work for the game. But yeah, it's not like these are like commission sprites or whatever. But no, I did not do them. My art is not that good.
Wouldn't resources allow you to have types that are undefined in JSON? Yes.
Sorry, what?
Filippo Calipo said, wouldn't resources allow you to have types that are undefined in JSON?
Yes. So the problem with resources, there is a slight issue with resources. If you use them to store something like a save file in Godot, and then let's say that someone's friend goes, hey, here's my save file for, Dante's 9. Can you play through this and like check out this like cool whatever? And the person downloads it and they put it in their like save folder. If that resource contains GDScript, it can actually be loaded like when the save is loaded. So it's very like insecure in that way. Yeah. So you can get someone's, I mean, obviously it's not entirely on the developer's responsibility. The player should be checking whatever, something like that. But like, if we can reasonably prevent that, then I think that I would like to. So I think for something like that, I would say I would not use resources.
Also, why is VTuber
but yes,
not
resources.
GW stream? Biddy, do you have that set up?
I don't feel like turning on my lights.
Yeah,
I have a headache. Yeah, no, I don't feel like turning on my lights.
I get that.
I didn't drink nearly enough caffeine today.
I don't think I drank any caffeine until now.
Oh shit, he's gonna have a headache.
Surprisingly, no headache. I just am very tired.
Oh, card. Material.
Config files, though, never tried them before. Yeah, config, I think it's good for like settings. I don't think you would want to use that for saving the actual game.
No, it's definitely something for like a player, like something that a player could go in and edit on their like own. JSON is kind of that as well, but like, you know, if you know that players are going to be going in there and like editing things, I would say config files are really good for that because they usually have sections as well, so it's like just very non-programmer friendly.
Like for me.
Yeah, so that this dickhead over here can. Excuse me. Bird rotation.x and bird rotation.y. X rods and Y rod, except I think actually this would be Y rod minus X, and then X rod is mapped to Y, I think. I don't 100% remember for this, but changing parameter. And then I actually will probably end up killing this, and if not, the toggle state. Okay, yeah, for the seed card. And I'll say if mouse hovered, I will say get local mouse position. I actually don't know what this is going to be, so maybe I'll just print this first. I'm so sorry, Celeste soundtrack. This song is way too fucking slow for this. Give me like, yeah, give me Plantera theme. Okay, so this is based off of the top left of the card, which is slight problem also. Why are you all facing the wrong way? Oh, right there. That was the main issue you had with resources, is the ability to run code. Yeah, pretty much. The resources are really cool because they do make like serialization to disk and then deserialization from disk like really, really easy. But the fact that they have the ability to execute pretty much any code that you want that would be in GD script is like really, really unsavory.
Umbreon art? What Umbreon art are you talking about?
Umbi art. Umbi art. What am I doing? I need to have this. Get the. Yeah, you. I know. Size. So this is going to be var mouse offset is get local mouse position. So I want to convert from the top left to the bottom right to the middle. I think
hello, RMD. How are you doing? I'm working on balancing, I think. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just changing random numbers, seeing how they feel. I'm very tired, so sorry if I'm not talking.
Where's the EB Schleeby mode?
Very EB Schleeby mode.
It happens. Why did my music stop playing? By the way, I don't know. Oh, I just can't go back. Why should I go back? Fubar says, "Yeah, fuck you." Fair enough. Where is? No, not you. No. I like clicked that without thinking. I'm like, dude, I can't listen to Caves of Cud soundtrack right now. I'm gonna like cry or something.
Love the avatars. Thank you. The little guys or the big ones?
The little dudes or the big dudes?
There's little dudes and there's also big dudes. I drew the little dudes, and I was gonna like give them more hats and stuff, but then I drew like 3 hats, and then I got bored, and I haven't made any more.
Why I look so goober shaped? I didn't feel like turning on my lights today, if that's what you mean. So I didn't.
Little dudes are cool. Big dudes are very cool. So they're both cool. But he has an even cooler big dude, but he's not using it right now because he's.
I'm not using it. Because my head hurts.
I know that's.
I don't feel like
say
turning
there's,
on the
like,
lights.
Anything wrong with that? I'm just saying you're lazy.
Dude. Should be like, I don't know, balancing the game or something.
That's what I'm doing. Oh,
Really?
why did
What
it
happened?
break? Laser pointer broke.
Laser pointer broke?
Yeah.
Where are we at? Where's that up?
Function shoot laser. Is it because
Shoot
is it
laser.
that it doesn't does this not like the
Wait. Wait, what?
I was shooting the DPS
Uh,
dummy, does it not like the DPS
Can you take a
dummy
look
for
at
some reason?
Can you click on self in the members of members? Yeah.
Yeah.
And then scroll down until you find the location of where that is in the or sorry, you're in the wrong stack thing. Sorry. Can you go to the hitbox component?
Oh, this.
Yeah, and then
So-
hit self there. And then see where that is in the tree. Like just hover over it and it'll tell you.
Oh, this. I see.
Yep.
DPS dummy.
DPS dummy. Okay, DPS dummy doesn't work with laser pointer. Didn't know that. I thought it did.
That's weird.
What the fuck happened? Oh yeah, interesting. Okay, I'll fix that real quick. Why is that broken?
Jeff Bezos asks when the next video is. Never.
Wait,
No, in
what?
RMD, we've been working on the game for like
Oh.
I think a little over a year and a half now, or I've been working on it for a little over a year and a half. A little less than a year for Biddy.
Box components. A little less than a year. It's been like 8 months, something like that.
Something like that. But it's easier to say a little less than a year, you know?
Wait, how the fuck is this ever working?
No, it like doesn't work on any enemies.
Yeah, okay, I fucked something up. Don't worry about. You can fix this.
Okay.
I think. Let me double check that this fixes it, and that should be
Oh.
good. Also, next video,
Yes.
I do want to work on a video after Dante's 9 playtest is out. I just have been. I'm like, I want to get this to, live first. Oh shit! Oh no. Level position. Fuck. Give me a sec. I can fix the code. I don't know how this broke just now and not ever before, but whatever. I think that works. But yeah, I want to make a video, like maybe a set of videos or something that uses a lot of the stuff that I've kind of like not learned. I mean, I kind of knew about a lot of these, but like kind of things that have like I've seen in action while working on Dante's 9, like some of the systems and stuff and how to make them kind of interact well together. And I want to make a few videos about how those work. JW, I'm gonna send you something evil.
What are you guys sending?
I'm gonna send you a block of code that I just want you to paste in instead of a function.
Okay.
So the get rect function or the get bounds function in hitbox component, if you just paste that code that I just sent you over that function, it should at least work for now.
Okay. Where is this function?
Hitbox component. It should be in the
Oh, it's
file
right
you're
here.
in. Yeah. Get bounds. Yeah. If you just highlight the whole
do
thing,
that.
paste it, and then do spaces to tabs. There's an edit. There's a
It's fine.
edit. Oh, okay.
That's weird. It like.
Yeah, I think if
never
you run now,
works.
it should just work.
Okay.
Yeah. It should just work TM, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Sorry, it was a change that I made and I didn't realize that it had an effect there. That's the
Yeah.
only thing that still hits scan in the game, so.
For now.
So, what am I doing? What was I doing? I was doing stuff with the menu. Yeah. think that should do something, hopefully. The answer is nope. Console.print card rotation. Oh, I know why. Because this is what? Wait, why am I getting? Oh. Yeah, because this is in degrees, so I actually have to do like times, I don't know, we'll do 180 and we'll see what that looks like. Surely it's not going to be too egregious. It's going to be very egregious. It's not doing shit, actually. What the hell? Oh. It's just yrot and xrot, not shader underscore yrot. Oopsies. He's a goober. There we go. That's like exactly right, right? I think. Yeah, let's make this like up to 10 degrees in either direction, perhaps. Those values are off. Right. So the up down is wrong and the left right is wrong. So I had it the wrong way. So it's this. There we go. And then I can say here bar target rotation. It's also equal to covered. This will actually be target rotation. And then every frame will say card rotation equals card rotation dot blurb towards the target rotation over like 0.2. Yeah. And then whenever we unhover this, I will say target rotation is equal to 0. So that this will reset that. Yay. Honestly, they probably stand to rotate just a little bit more. What's up?
I'm trying to get the DPS of the shotgun, but it keeps knocking me back.
He's BLJing against the wall, dude. Okay. JW. Cards. Where,
let me see. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. And then at some point I can maybe make some like little icons for them, but
yeah. Okay, so main
do they
menu
actually
settings
all
mostly
do they
fine.
all work? I assume.
All minus settings, yeah.
Okay.
Exit actually closes the game, and then I showed you the seed one before.
Yeah, which does work.
Yeah, it actually works really cool because it should still be consistent, even though I haven't changed anything. Like there should be an exit up here,
Yeah.
and then it should be like there should be a remote detonator or something, The plasma ball. That's what it was.
Ball, yeah.
And then this was all
see.
guns.
Okay.
What? Oh, because there was a card added.
Oh, interesting.
I wonder how we want to handle that actually.
Because yeah, that is something that is probably important. That like, say we had an update
Yeah.
where we added cards, we don't want it to like change what the seeds do.
Yeah, I don't actually know. I'll have to think about that actually, because I don't know. I mean, I think that's probably fine, to be honest, because updates where we add cards are probably going to be rare enough that it's kind of like if you were to think about like a Gungeon update that added like a fuck ton of guns, you'd be like, ah shit, dude, now I can't use my old seed that had like
Well,
this one
except with
thing, it's like,
Gungeon, you can't actually.
I guess
put
yeah,
in
there are no
seeds.
seeds.
Yeah.
That's shit's so fucking weird. Still, by
It
the
is
way, I don't
weird.
like that.
I mean, also it's fair because it's a pretty
No, it's
pretty old
not.
game. Relatively, I
No.
feel like it's older.
No, you can put
It's, like,
seeds in
old.
fucking Binding of Isaac on Flash. I don't want to hear that. That it's a
But
relatively
it's
old game.
not
I don't fucking
Binding of
care.
Isaac.
Yeah, it's worse. Binding of Isaac is just like better. That's not true.
That's what I mean.
It's better because it's older, but not because it's a more fun game. All right, so there's the menu. We'll call that good enough for now. This is fine. This is fine. Oh, actually, I need to add the button to the sticker selection. Because it currently doesn't have that. I should also change this to be inside the script if I'm able to. Yeah. Process mode is equal to process mode when paused. I don't want you to be grayed out in the editor because that feels wrong. So let me turn this on and show this. I need a button.
Why is JW doing straight nothing? Because I'm tired and I am not raining.
This is true. Let me add. Ah, this doesn't.
I genuinely don't know why I'm
have-
like so cooked today. I just like.
That's fine. It happens. We are all thinking about
It's
it.
just
though. I
annoying
wanna
because
let
it's
you know.
like I know that we need to get the playtest done, but it's just like.
Yeah, that's fine. I
I
mean,
just don't feel like I can get anything done. Like I can get stuff done, and I'm trying. I just feel like I can't.
is there any visual stuff that you can do rather than like DP? Like, because you're doing DPS stuff, which is cool. It's useful and it's going to be required. But like, if you're already struggling to like get the motivation to do anything, if there's something that you would enjoy doing,
Yeah,
you should
look.
focus on that.
Yeah.
Like, if
Because
there's
yeah, with
visuals,
the damage, I'm kind of
there's-
just changing random numbers and hoping
Yeah.
it's good.
Yeah.
Um,
What about levels? You know, like doing levels? You could do rooms, or you could set up a tutorial area, unless we want to use the same tutorial area. I'm thinking we maybe don't, but I don't
Even
know.
work, I wonder. It definitely does.
I-
But
I think it would, actually. I think the way it's set up, it should still just work, because everything has been basically retrofitted into it. Or it's been like,
I forgot there's
Forge
like
there.
random junk in here.
yeah, this is the old fucking testing room.
I'm surprised that worked. I thought we changed how some of these. I'm surprised this is working.
Yeah, we did change how it worked. I did. Oh, yeah, that doesn't
Yeah.
work. But you
Now
can
we gotta-
pogo off the guy.
yeah. Oh, okay. I was gonna.
Okay, what are you-
try
Yeah, you don't get enough. You don't get any knockback from that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we definitely need something else instead of the
Yeah.
pistol if we're gonna be shooting from that far away. You're about to die.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention.
That's funny that just works.
Let me make sure.
Oh
like,
shit!
What?
He has no fucking friction whenever he's dead,
Oh, that's funny.
because the box uses the same controller as the dead.
Oh, that's really funny.
Because it's just like a ragdoll is what I've called
This
it.
guy.
Let's see. What was I doing? Oh yeah, adding a button. Which will say skip. I know we'll have an icon. I'm actually just gonna copy this from the
Oh wait, no, I can't get up
selection
here.
UI. Just teleport, man. Fire.
Then this is
It all works.
Yeah, honestly, that probably works.
I would say, I mean, the activate weapon area needs to be changed, especially considering like people are gonna be playing on controller. And before we had controller aim assist on hit scan, but that's not hit scan. So
Yeah. We could make it. I'm trying to think what other cards we have. I think the rusty pistol might actually be more accurate. Oh, maybe? Maybe it is. No way it's more accurate.
um,
No, I don't think it is. We can honestly give them the shotguns, that way it's like...
you know what we could do actually?
What?
What if we made a version of the dummy that just dangled from the ceiling, like on a rope or something?
Yeah, we could.
That way we can have them just aim up rather than aiming to the side. Because that was one thing I noticed whenever we were playtesting a Godokon, is because the dummies directly to the right, they would get the gun and they would just click, or they would like press the trigger in and it would just instantly shoot the dummy.
Yeah.
Which is why we added the second one up there, but I think that we could probably just have
just one up
the dummies
here.
only above the player. Yeah, like a dangling crowd of them. And if like, or like a couple of them, and if they kill any of them, it just like lets them go to the next room.
Yeah. And I forgot I made these like stone tiles, and they're terrible.
Those look good, yeah.
I was messing around with like mixing them in. Well, I guess
Sorry,
we
my
can
fault.
probably just reuse this for the most part.
Yeah.
I'm trying
You
to
could probably make,
um,
I was gonna say you could make a dangling dummy scene, perhaps,
yeah, yeah.
if you feel like you can. It's fine if you don't
I'm
feel like
just thinking.
you are up to that.
Yeah.
I know that's code.
Probably not.
That's all right. Let's take a look at the list then. What do we got? Um, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's fine. That's being killed. So fuck that. Relic trigger when dead is staying, so we can say that's fine. Actually, I'm gonna keep consistent. That just gets crossed out because that doesn't matter. Or just tooltips. Skip button on card is in progress, basically done. You could also make the feedback form if you feel like doing that. If you want to do something more visual, then I would say like rooms, or if there's any missing art anywhere.
Oh yes, sorry,
Mr.
Jeff. I did see your Pokemon art. It is very good. The Umbreon.
Oh yeah, the Umbreon and a frog onesie, right?
Yeah, that was really good.
Yeah, that was fucking sick.
I don't know how to draw. And draw non-pixel art, that is.
Yeah, you could also do you could make the demo screen that you were talking about with the "this is in progress."
Oh, okay. I don't know how to write.
Well, I mean, like you could draw
I know.
something. I don't know if we want that to be the same screen. We could also, if you want to update the end screen, that can also be done.
I'm trying to think of how we want to do the end.
Yeah. Because we can still use the same like art as the demo end screen.
Yeah, where is that?
Oh, this is like a full-on texture. This isn't like a texture and
Yeah.
text. That's funny. Yeah, because I think we wanted to have it so that we had a button or so that let you just like go to the page.
Yeah, I
like you
think.
clicked it and it would
Yeah, I
open in your
think we could
browser.
have one for like the page and one for like the Discord.
Yeah. Where is so hide is.
Oh, you
this is
did you draw
done.
that before you got your tablet? That's crazy.
Oh, holy shit! That's actually crazy. Show. Okay, so this is the one that I want this to be on. So when this is done, or when this shows up, I want the sticker to go from you, bop, 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 and bop. Actually don't know how far up the stickers are on the screen, so we're just gonna hope that's fine.
Oh, I'll add this to the list. When you make hearts, have a chance to drop from chests.
Oh, true, yeah. I actually need to data drive a lot of the shit that the chests are doing because they're currently very, like, they're the most hard-coded thing in the fucking world right now.
That's probably okay for the playtest, so we can change
it. It definitely is, but yeah, I would like to make them more future-proof. We needed them to work.
Yeah.
Let's see, so if I play this animation, this, shoot, yep, there we go, there's the button, and then, actually, no, you can't be that. You actually need to be the thing. Sure, skip button. I need you to be something else. Last name, skip button. I need you to be a function called what? Need like a hide, like a hide can't be used because hide is the name of a function built into Godot. I'll just do like start and like, no, that feels wrong. Okay, show button.
Wasn't much harder with the mouse since I didn't have to draw any detailed lines. Yeah, I guess that's fair.
Hide button, and then I will do var tween. I need a new keyboard, I think. This keyboard is starting to piss me off, which sucks because I just got it like not long ago. Func tween to pause void. Ah, shit. Okay, now what I can do tween to height. H float. If tween.
I'm gonna go through the rooms and add the foreground, or the foreground layers.
Okay, the one thing that I'll say that you should probably do if you're not already is make them into a scene, perhaps.
Yeah, I just did that.
Okay, do they have the script on the sprites?
Yes.
Do they have the materials on the sprites?
Yes.
Okay.
I just took the ones from the starting room and just saved it as a scene.
Okay. That's upgrade the tween, and I will do tween.
Good night, Mr. Jeff.
Tween dot tweets in out. Set trans back, maybe. Yeah. Then I want it to himself. Position. Y. To the height over half a second. So hide button tween to height. Probably I think 50 was where I wanted it, and then this can be like minus 150 actually would probably be fine. And then inside of sticker selection, also want to redo this control script for the menu. This was made in such a gross way.
Many such cases.
Skip button. Is it a skip button? Which is apparently not a thing that we currently have. Am I? What? No. Okay, I wasn't smoking crack. Cool.
You weren't?
Skip button. Dot between to height. Or not swing to height. Sorry. Show button. And then whenever this goes away, I can do this. Just hide button. That might just work. I'm gonna pray that it does because that'd be really, really cool. Okay, skip button, and then if I close, it kind of went away. It was a little slow, but whatever, that's fine, kinda.
Oh, it looks like the room that has the new enemy thing that you tried setting up, doesn't work if you run it by itself.
The what?
Room 3. It has like whatever your
Oh,
enemy set thing.
Oh, let me take a look at that. Room 3, TSC F6. Oh, interesting. Oh, that. Huh? Wait, this is inside of room base. Enemy spawn handler, enemy sets. Apparently, what? Enemy sets null, enemy DB, enemy sets. Is it because this isn't loading the resource properly? Basic value from empty array. I think what's happening is... Oh, the tree isn't ready. The static class hasn't been done yet. This has to be done deferred. I have a solution, I think. Yeah, I have a solution, which will be spawn set. Oh wait, this will do this shit. Sorry, I didn't think about that.
No, that's fine.
I didn't test the room in isolation.
I can just test it by loading the game and then teleporting to it.
The room works. It's I know what's going on. The problem is...
Yeah, like it hasn't been working in when I'm actually playing. It's just...
Yeah, it's because the enemy DB has to be called a frame after the game starts because of a weird loading issue. And so whenever you try to open the room by itself, it tries to load immediately, but it shouldn't. It should wait until the enemy DB is also ready. So I think I can do this. Yeah, okay. Dante's in a weird spot, but whatever. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, I got you. I can fix it really cool.
Yeah, I don't need it right now, so you don't need to push it.
You don't need it right now? Okay.
Because I can test it by just loading the game and teleporting.
Yeah, I'm glad you found that though. I mean, not like it was going to be an issue in like a release build, but yeah. Okay. What was I doing again? Oh yeah, the button. I wanted to make sure the button. Don't call it slow. It's doing its best. I will. I don't know what I called slow, but I will. Oh, the button. The button was slow. Yeah, the button was slow. And it's not doing its best because it's doing better now. See, look at how speedy that button is.
Did you change how the flying guy shoots?
Yeah.
I feel like he shoots slower. Like I feel like his burst is slower.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. The bullets fly faster. Yeah, the bullets fly faster, but the burst is slower, so that the spread between them is larger.
Okay.
So that you can actually like
Yeah.
bounce between them or whatever. Oh my god, what was the thing that I was just about to do? Oh, I need to hook up the button so it actually like does the thing. You. I can actually do this in code now. Shouldn't you be in bed or something right now? What are you doing up?
This is true.
Why did I do that? I wanted to skip the selection. That might be stupid. Yay, okay, that's skipped. It does a little weird thing. Whatever. Doesn't matter that much, right? Yay, that works. Cool. Actually, I would so love to fix that issue. Oh wait, JW, can you look at my screen really quickly?
Yes.
Okay, there's something really weird on this screen. Have you noticed it yet?
No. Oh. Okay.
Sorry. Sorry, the demon's over.
No, it's funny.
So I need to make this hidden whenever it's late. That's gonna be a problem, I think. Well, actually. Why does that show up, actually? I understand. It's because this doesn't actually have a keyframe in here, which it needs to have. Oh, this is also the most minor fucking thing in the world, by the way. I'll show you in just a second whenever I verify. Okay, that works. Cool. The most minor thing in the world is whenever you are not in the sticker selection menu, if you press Q, it does not open up the sticker menu in the top left anymore.
Oh, thank you.
Like you have to actually, even if you're in the forge, even if you're here, like it doesn't open until you get to the point that you can pick a sticker.
Yeah, like that.
And then it works. Okay, so that works. The skip button is fine. It's not great, but it's fine. So skip button is good. Let me take a look at other things. Add exit game button somewhere. Maybe.
Like
Probably,
from
I mean,
the
definitely.
pause menu.
Yeah. Yeah, like to go back to
Yeah.
the start screen. Maybe this could just be called gameplay, and there could be a button that just says like back to menu here.
Yeah,
In here.
I would do that.
Yeah, fuck it. You're being added. Settings, touch T-skin. And you are called gameplay. And that means I also have to go in here and update the label.
The label.
Where the fuck is... There it is. I found it. Yeah, I just have to update the label so it doesn't have as many A's in it.
Evil label.
It's only like slightly evil, but it like actually works.
Okay.
You know? Well, dude, it makes it consistent between fonts. See? That just... I couldn't have made that work in a very good way without the label. Right now. In the week that I had. Let's add a button here. Here, you button. Is going to be menu or back to menu.
Okay, there we go.
Back to menu. You are also not going to be set to expand. We're going to be shrink left. What if we made a shrink center? What if I made a shrink right? How about that? That looks so cool. This menu is like abstract.
Yeah. For sure, twin.
Back to menu and then exit game. Do we need an exit game button? Like a full on like fucking close the game? I'll add it. Actually,
Yeah.
I'll add it because it doesn't matter too much. And then we'll make this the most like ugly piece of shit code in the world. It already is, but
Yeah, 'cause I wrote it.
Oh Lord. I'm just gonna put them up here.
The most part, don't look at that.
Yeah, just don't look at this code. I also do want to. There's a few places I want to revisit the code for.
Just a few.
Back to menu, start menu button, and then let's export our close game button. The button.
Okay, all the rooms now have the foreground
you-
things.
We go back to the main menu. Do we have like a? Does level manager have like a menu button? How does debug menu do it? I know you do this shit. Start menu. You just fucking change to it. Okay, how about this? Level manager. You have a function now called open or what would you call this if you wanted a function that just took you back to the main menu? What would you call it?
Return to menu.
A function called return to menu.
Yeah.
No, I don't like return being in the title of the function.
You could just call it to menu.
I'll just call it like load open start menu. Thoughts? It's probably fine. Git tree. Git agree dot change scene to file as start menu. Where the fuck is the thing that I just added? Rather open start menu. Yeah, you're not gonna tell me that it's there. Whatever. There we go. Ah. So what are you up to? Sorry.
I added
Did you-
the foreground to all of them.
Oh, nice. Make some rooms or make some. Are there any sounds that are missing? I don't remember.
I think there's some I wanted to add. I wanted to add one when you pick the card. Like, we probably have some sounds for these.
Yeah, I more meant like there are certain sounds that I think got wiped during some of the code refactors that I just didn't notice.
Yeah,
Like I know for a while, like equipping a card or something.
I didn't really like the sound that we had for that. I don't think every single one needs an equip sound. I think cards that you just like use once should have a sound. But like if you're equipping an equip, I don't think there should be an equip sound. Maybe there should.
Fair enough.
I can mess with that. Yeah. Let me see.
How the fuck do you close the game? Start menu. I know that you have a function called exit game. Hit tree.quit. Sick. That's all I needed to hear. Oh. Why did it? Why did it? Oh, because I connected it to the fucking. Oopsies. Start menu button is connected to the close game function. Is it close game button?
You should probably have that close the menu when you do that.
Yeah. I also don't know if I want them to be able to access this menu. It doesn't matter. They should definitely be able to access settings. Wait.
What?
Wait. Let me think for a moment about how I want to do this. Okay, I think I know what I want to do. Let me
just play and
so
see what
the first thing
sounds.
is when we do this, I would like to do news. Dot close. Sorry, dot. So when we're in a game, that should close that. Sick. Start game. Open this and hit exit game. Also, the fade transition thing, the level fade. You need to not block mouse input because you've been pissing me off for a long time. And I just realized that I could just go in there and change one drop down. Because now it should be that you can access the debug menu whenever you're fading into a level. Because that always pissed me off. Yay. Let me see. What was the... so settings... I'm thinking about how I want to do this. Because the settings menu... like this, you can open up...
Wait, what's happening here?
as part of the inventory. But I think I want here, I want to say disable inventory is false. And then I want to see think that should work. So now if I were to go to the start menu, while we are in the start menu, I can say menus disable inventory is true. And then whenever we do load level, I can say menus disable inventory is false. So now if I hit F5, I should be able to open the inventory, hopefully. Please, for the love of God, tell me I can. I can. And then if I were to go back to menu, I cannot. If I load the game again, I can. Okay,
Yay.
cool. So the reason I want to do that is because I want the settings button to actually open up just the settings. So let me do that. What are all of these controls for? What are you?
I think.
Oh, there's a Dante with a gun back there. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, that. Don't worry about that.
And this is what? This is the sprite background. Okay, cool. So I'll just add settings.tscn, and I will say this is settings. You'll be hidden by default. And then while we're in here, add export bar, settings menu. Physics process. There's not a physics process, right? No. If input is action pressed, pause. Settings dot visible equals not settings dot visible. Oh, you're not a menu. Oh, sorry. My fault. Sorry. That kind of hurt a little bit. I actually don't know what I should do with my microphone, because even if I get a new stand that doesn't make like as loud of a sound, I would still like punch it like that whenever I go to like move my hand. Because I like scratched my face and then I moved my hand back to my keyboard, and in the middle of that, my hand
You just
went
like move
not
where your
just
mic
under
is.
Yeah, but that doesn't. No.
Okay.
No. Okay, yeah,
It's
so
giving me an
that
option,
works. There we go. Ah, shit, I didn't mean to hit the zoom in button. Fuck. What did you zoom in from? Oh. Debug menu. I didn't know that you had a function. I didn't know that's where that was happening, to be honest with you. If not player.player return. You're not doing that shit anymore. Stop that.
I just realized we didn't have the mana system in the last playtest, right?
Correct.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Because of how like important it feels to the design now.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah. Yeah, so now just the settings is open here. So when you're in this menu, it's only settings.
Yeah,
Although,
nice.
actually, hold on. Now that I'm thinking about it, let me turn this fucking game off. Now that I'm like thinking about it, I'm like, shouldn't it just be that there's no deck option here and it's only collection and system? But then also I'm like, who fucking cares?
Then you'd also like, yeah, no,
whatever.
I think it's fine.
I'm like, that's well, I would say like whenever the game actually like whenever we get time, I want to
definitely
clean that up a little bit. But right now I'm like,
right now,
fucking cares?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
So yeah, I have it so that
I don't feel like doing anything.
Fair enough. So hitting that will open up settings regardless. We do func toggle settings void, and then you'll go here, and I will run the code here. Toggle settings. Cool. And then I think I need to add. Where's the settings button? You're actually not connected at all, are you? options. You're not. I guess I'll do this here. Click to you on settings. Rest. Sure. Toggle settings. These buttons are also not controller capable, I don't think. Maybe they are, but I don't remember making them controller compatible. You also shouldn't be doing that, buddy. Where it disappeared. Yay. Okay, cool. That works. So now you can change settings while you're in here. And this will update as you would expect before you even start the game. And then you can choose to load or do anything. And then that works as expected. Exits, and then starts, as you would imagine. Start game. I actually don't know if this is a random seed or not. It's not. Apparently. Thought it was. I'm actually a little surprised that it's not, but whatever. Start seed. Oh yeah, you're not random, so I'll just do manager dot set seed rand I. Now this should be a completely new seed that neither of us have ever seen. Imagine if it's the fucking plasma. Okay, if it was the plasma wall, I was gonna fucking flip. Because it looked like the Awawa seed. Cool. 2 card packs and the attack speed one. And extra mana per second. Is that right? +5 soul generation per second. Oh, yeah. And then we have cards. 2 shields. Do we want to make it so you can only get, like, the cards here are unique?
Probably. Yeah, I get
Okay.
there's like definitely, but
Oh.
yeah.
I'm
I
thinking
was
like
just
maybe
thinking like,
eventually
oh, we
would
don't
want,
have enough
like some shit, but
cards for them all to be unique, but it's like, yeah, we do.
we definitely do.
Yeah.
Yeah, we 100% we do. Okay, yeah, because I was thinking about it. I looked at this. I'm like, man, this is like such a shit draw.
Yeah.
I mean, like Beehive's cool and all, but like 2 shields. Are we getting rid of shield, by the way, during this playtest?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, if you want to make a list of the cards that we wanted to actually have in, like the full list of like everything that's valid.
Yeah.
Because currently we kind of have like Salami and Shield are in, and they shouldn't. You can also, if you don't mind, if you wanted to kind of go through our list and like not clean up, but like I'm trying to think of what I want to say. How I want to say it. Cards that we want to have, and stickers that we want to have, and God, there was something else. What the hell was it? Like to-do list stuff, I guess. I mean, we have like a to-do list, but like
Yeah.
oh wait, did you have the marker for the boss, by the way, for the door or the map?
Oh, like the icon.
Also the icons on the map, and also whenever the boss is like over here, there's not like the thing that's showing you that
wanted
this
to
is the
have
boss's
that.
room. I don't know what we wanted for that,
I don't.
or if we just wanted to have it like lead into a different colored tile.
There
set
is
or, like,
actually
something.
a skull in the files that you could use. The explosion skull.
This guy.
Yeah,
Ah.
but
Is that use it for what? For the map or for the room?
for the room, probably.
Okay, like somewhere over here,
Yeah,
like up here or something.
I was thinking like in the.
Oh, that's another
fade,
thing we'll have
kind
to
of.
pay attention is these guys,
Yeah.
this stuff.
I'm thinking it could go like in the kind of fade gradient.
Okay, yes, like back here.
Yeah. I think later I would want it to be like a door or something like that that like opens
Yeah.
as you like walk up to it, so
Like
it's really
dungeon.
obvious. Yeah. But I don't know how to do that right now. And I don't.
Real.
I'm genuinely just so
Oh yeah, yeah.
cooked, I don't feel like-
Card selection UI. .gd. You have RNG util pick random usable cards. Okay, word. Bar available cards is card db dot usable cards dot duplicate. Oh, there goes Callie.
Also, for the icons, we could probably just use the, what I'm thinking is, since, like, most rooms you're gonna be fighting enemies in, we don't need to have, like, a skull on every room that you fight enemies in. I think they should just be blank, and then, like, the boss should have a skull, and then the teleporters would have their own icon. Because right now it's, like, I don't know what any of these mean.
I see.
What any of these icons
yeah,
mean,
yeah.
but, like, if you just have...
Yeah, I just kind of use the
Yeah.
placeholders, but yeah, no, I agree. If you want to also make a teleporter icon, that would be handy.
Yeah, I'm trying to think of what would be a good icon.
There we go. So this adjusted the seed that I was just on. That I also just realized something fucking crazy, and I did it without even thinking about it. I made changes, and I wanted to have this regenerate. I didn't even check what the seed was. I just hit restart game, and because restart game just reloads the level scene, it uses the same seed.
Oh, that's really cool.
So if I had closed and reopened the game, I would have lost the seed for ever. And I mean, not like I'm.
Oh, and does restart game like update any changes?
No.
No. Okay.
No. It's just because I made script changes.
Okay.
Like
I
it's
see.
yeah, it's the same as the script. I just wanted to have the
you
chest
just wanted to have
again.
the chest be closed again. I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so now this should be cards inside of here should be completely unique each time. So it should be 3 unique cards. There is still no rarity on the cards. If you could also figure out how we want the rarities to work, like in terms of what cards are rare and what cards aren't. Obviously Salmon Storm is, and Pistol isn't, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk away for probably like a minute or two really quickly. I really gotta use the bathroom.
Scary.
So
Good
luck,
luck.
I'm putting you on stream.
Watch me do like nothing. I'll find something.
My Discord screen share isn't working. Uh-oh.
Is it me or you?
Discord. It's me.
Okay.
Oh, because I didn't pop it out to its own window. There we go. Okay, I'll be back.
Okay, goodbye. I don't know what we're doing, so good luck. I forgot what you said to do. I'm really dumb. Evil noodle. I am evil. Evil and tired noodle. Let's make some icons. What's a teleporter look like? Right now it's just like a orb thing. Here's my orb thing. Some like particles. Yeah, this looks kind of awful. We just make it like this. That's not bad. That would make an okay teleporter icon. EMF node. Yeah, there we go. That works. So then if we go here, you can teleport. Works. No way to reveal all the rooms, I forget. Links.
Okay, I'm back somewhat.
Hello. I made a teleporter icon and then removed the other icons. So it makes it you
You
also
removed
need
the
to
other
get rid of
icons.
this when you're not on controller.
What the fuck? Why is that there? Okay. I didn't realize that would actually stay there. I didn't notice it. I think I went blind to it. Because I think you don't happen to have a controller like within reach of like you could press the joystick for a frame and then
Yeah, I do.
not.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just that
I
guess-
didn't reset it on start.
Yeah.
Oopsies. I'll do that. Map.
But I think this teleport icon is okay. It's a little orb thing, but it works.
Here.
Hey, look, I did something.
What'd you do? Sorry, huh?
I added like 5 pixels.
Oh.
Yeah. I may just go to bed soon because I'm so cooked. I'm not
That's
getting
okay.
anything done.
It can be a short stream.
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and announce this to people if anyone's curious or if there's anyone here interested in it. The playtest did actually get approved on Steam.
Mhm.
So, we are able to set the playtest up. We are hoping, ideally, to have it out sometime. Tomorrow is when we would like to turn it on.
Yeah, I'd say by tomorrow night.
But
But-
obviously, yeah, the most important thing to us really is like, we want this to be good. It's not going to be perfect. It is a playtest where we're kind of getting feedback from people, but like, we do want it to be good.
Call it hightail the way it looks really cool, but it's still slightly broken.
Maybe, probably not though. What? Invalid assignment of property on a based on object of type nil? Why are you nil? What? How are you nil? What are you fucking talking about? Oh, because this is, yeah, I remember. I remember what's up with this. You're so right. Whoa. Okay, there we go. Now the controller thing's gone until you move controller stuff. Okay. So let me go through the list really quickly of things, just because I want to make sure that we have a good list of stuff to work on. So for the, I don't think we're getting the VFX for teleporting rooms in. That's fine. It functionally works.
Yeah, it works.
We should probably add a few more teleporter rooms, or do you want any room to be able to be a teleporter room? 'Cause-
mm,
Because it can be set up in such a way that any room has the capability of being a teleporter room, and then whenever it generates the level, it only chooses a few that are teleporter rooms. Or we could
That
have it so that
probably makes sense.
only a few of the rooms are teleporter rooms, and then whenever it generates, if it generates that room that would have a teleporter, it's going to have a teleporter.
Yeah, I think every room should be able to have a teleporter, probably.
Okay. So then we'll probably every room should have teleport possibility. Roll chance on generation with some sort of algorithm. I'll figure it out. Let's see. This thing I need to exhaust. Remove card on use. The enemies. Fire Slime needs a little bit of VFX work and also invulnerability during his charge up, which I think should actually be relatively easy to do.
Yeah.
Because I think he could just leech off of the invulnerability component that the player has. Because I separated the flashing from the invulnerability.
Yeah, if you want to try to add that, I'll try
specifically-
to. I'll add some VFX for when he dies.
Okay.
And then also he should spawn an explosion when he dies, or when he does the explosion thing, since we don't have the fire yet. That
Yeah.
shouldn't be too hard to do.
Yeah. So I think intangibility components. Oh, it requires a flash animation. I see. Which is probably fine. Or actually, this could just not have. Actually, this doesn't need a flashing animation. How's it?
Probably not. I probably
Oh, no, it
was
totally
really smart
does.
and designed it in a way that it didn't require. Oh.
No, it totally does.
It's okay.
Update flashing is intangible. Yeah, I can just. It could do a thing that's like if not flash return, and that would be fine. But yeah, I separated it out just to let you know, because before what we were doing is you would set is intangible, and then or you would set the time. Yeah, you would set the time, and then it would call update flashing. I changed it so that you could just call. Actually, you could just use this. You can do set intangible, and then I thought there would be a clear intangible, but I guess fucking not. I'll probably also add like a clear intangible method here. But I felt that it was very useful to be able to enable and disable the intangibility whenever you wanted to, rather than having it be tied to the time and the flashing. Specifically because the box, whenever he's in the box, intangibility is enabled, and then it only turns on the flashing after it ends.
Mm-hmm.
So those are separate functions now, or like somewhat separated.
I see.
And then so I think the slime would just be set intangible whenever it starts to explode, and then clear intangible whenever it stops.
Yeah, that sounds right.
But yeah, so the slime needs a little explosion when hitting the ground. Intangibility. When exploding, spawn explosion. When exploding. Sure. Worm, visual sound indicator in the ground. Eyeball guy. Eyeball guy is like basically good to go, right?
Yeah, the eyeball guy is pretty much fine.
Okay, well maybe revisit the golem. I don't think that's gonna get in by now.
Definitely.
Spiders don't really do anything either.
Yeah, I started trying to do that, and I was like,
And that's fine. Honestly, yeah, it's honestly a lot of like the small polish things, to be real with you.
yeah.
I think it can be knocked out tomorrow. Although we may end up holding on to it till Saturday.
We shall
So don't get too angry.
Have you
I like how it
seen
says
the
relics
threats?
make them work, stickers also make them work, and then like I like how whenever we started this, you were like, I don't even know how we would do relics or stickers, and now it's just like, holy shit, the relics and the stickers are actually like such a really,
Yeah.
really easy to use system.
Somehow.
Yes, sir. It's because you got bitty lytic on it.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I should do this. Controller support. Anything that is controller support will go under here. The start menu. I don't believe it has controller support. But I can find out if it does have controller support by going back to the control this thing with the controller. What? Oh. I see. Player.player isn't a thing. Are we like assuming player.player exists? Only here. If player.player. That's cheap viewers, get out of here.
Let's go.
My chat is not moving nearly fast enough for you to pop in here without me noticing that. Well, that's fun. That's very fun. The joystick works, kind of.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, it's fine. Actually, I might be able to just add support to this right now. What are you? Are you an H layout container? You're not. You are honestly not a lot. I could probably just make you an H layout container. Sure. Let's see. Focus elements. Horizontal is the one that we want. Oh, can I just like highlight all of these and toss these into the thing? I can't. Whatever. Alright, so currently not focusing on anything, and then I can say for this start menu, you, if not is better hint, I would like for you to, I guess like the first child you have that's a start menu. Start, or no, I can just do grab focused, I think. Okay, or not, I guess. Oh no, that somehow something worked somehow. I don't know how, but I highlighted something. What is it? Hit tree dot focus change or something. Give viewport. I don't know how you're doing that. Weird. Oh, I didn't know that.
Okay, this slime now has
Options.
low quality gibbs, but they work
Finance.
for now.
Dude, I love low quality gibbs.
This is true. I gotta be an evader. Get out of here.
I don't understand why this is being focused actually.
Bleh. What are you working on? No, the controller.
Making the start menu controller compatible. Yeah.
I
I don't know how far I'm gonna get into it, to be honest, because
I
it's a
don't know
little
how
weird.
much more I'm gonna get done.
Yeah. That's fair. I think we're both starting to reach the end of.
Yeah.
We're starting to get like very, I guess like excited, but also like there's a lot going on. So
Yeah, and I got some other things going on
It's
too,
like-
just not game related. Just think about.
yeah,
It's annoying.
just got like PT and shit.
Yeah, thankfully that's doing well. We're going well.
Yeah, that's good.
I think I have like 2 more left, and I've been barely having any pain. It's like every once in a while it'll hurt a little bit, but it's not like, oh, if I do this thing for longer than an hour, it'll hurt. Because it used to be like, oh, if I use my phone for more than like an hour or work on the game for more than like an hour, it'll just hurt. It's not
Yeah.
fun.
You did it? What'd you did?
Did you add
I have no idea what you
Titanfall
mean
2
you did it.
movement to Unity?
Did you add Titanfall 2 movement to Dante's 9?
You should do that, Twin.
Dude, that'd be so cool and sick, and you'd be like, so cool. I thought I added a thing here that was like, don't print this if this doesn't exist. But I guess I didn't. Ouch. Yep, that's a fuck ton of that. Back to main menu. Okay. Hmm? No way I'm this stupid, dude. I literally wrote this code and I forgot to call super. No way I'm this fucking dumb. Oh, hey, dude, that works. That's cool. Dude, going back and forth just works now. Sick.
Tough.
Almost like I wrote this code in such a way that I could do that. Cool.
Since
apparently
or
horizontal
wait, is that
wrong.
that's not a card visual, is it?
Nope.
Okay, I was thinking you could give it the outline as well, but man,
I can.
yeah,
but
you
it's-
can. But you probably
I can.
can't.
I'm not going to. No, I
Yeah, 'cause
might,
it's too
but
trick.
it's actually not.
I got
but yeah.
the one
um,
port of the gravity and basic physics working in Unity. Well, that's cool. I would not be able to do that, mostly because I don't know how Unity
What the
works.
Did you do it in Godot? No.
When are you switching to Godot, Twin?
Okay, when are you joining us on the good side?
Yeah.
Dude, speaking of the good side, dude, my Linux is actually like fucking cracked. Like actually cracked.
I was about to say, why does your Linux look like Windows? And I realized, oh yeah, right.
Well,
you're-
yeah,
we're
because I'm on the
Windows
Windows
right
side,
now.
so I can stream.
Yeah.
But no, I was doing some
Could you
shit on
stream on
Windows or
Linux?
Linux earlier.
Could you stream on Linux? I mean, obviously you'd have to set everything up.
Yeah.
but-
I could, yeah, but I'm not going to yet. I have to get everything set up. I haven't done all my audio setup shit on Linux
Yeah.
yet, so I don't have everything routed to the different channels I want. But like switching from Windows or Linux to Windows is as easy as hitting the restart button on my computer, and then like 2 minutes later I'm in Windows or Linux, and it's like actually sick as fuck. It's actually so
Crazy.
cool.
It's due to the engine
Um,
limitations, whether not knowing any of the systems. Unity's physics engine is awful, just like Unreal. You should try Godot. Maybe Godot's
Is
physics
Unreal's
isn't
engine
terrible.
or Unreal's engine is Unreal's physics engine really that bad? Convex shape backface detection. What? Huh? Convex shape backface detection. Do we have that?
I don't know.
I know we have like collision shape 3Ds. Convex polygon. Convex or concave?
Convex.
I know he said convex, but do you mean convex or do you mean concave? can do. I know what I can do. I can do CSG box or CSG shape. Something. What the fuck is the
CSG polygon.
polygon? Thank you. Oh, cool. Dude, this is why I don't touch 3D at all. What the fuck are you doing? What is this?
It does that.
Why did it
It's only on one axis.
hit polygon, create polygon? What do you mean it's only on one axis? Oh, do I have to like...
Yes.
Why does it-
All the points are only
It's on two
one
axes.
pan. Whatever, two. Sorry, that's what I meant. Two. The one plane.
Oh, wait, no. What?
Yes.
Huh?
See? The polygon
so
is
what do
only
I-
on one plane. You just drag the dots.
Yes, okay. But let's say I wanted to change... Oh,
There should be a button
Okay.
to add. There should be a button to add dots somewhere.
this is working, I think.
Yeah, I think you just.
I
Struggling.
see. Okay. Should be a button to add. Are we real
At the
about
top,
this?
probably.
Yes, let's create a new one. But not to...
Maybe if you right click. Yeah,
Oh,
there you go.
if I control click on it,
Interesting.
it adds a new point. I see.
Yeah, I used these a while ago, but I don't remember how they work.
Yeah, back face culling. You can flip the faces here, but I think you can convert this into a collision shape. And so now we have this collision guy, and then I believe you can, yeah, back face collision. If that's a true, collisions occur on both sides of the concave shaped face, otherwise they occur only along the face normals. Is that what you mean?
Well, it's a concave.
Or do you mean
not
just back
convex,
face?
But
What are you talking about?
it's at
Oh, this is concave. Yeah, because technically, yeah, but there's nothing about this that makes this concave. Like the actual shape is
Yeah.
convex.
Well, obviously, Master Liberty, you should switch to Godot.
Yeah, that's true.
Clearly. I do want to try the 3D at some point.
We did.
Or yeah, I mean,
Yeah, no, I know
try
what you're
it
talking
more,
about.
like make an actual game.
Like actually try it. Yeah.
Yeah, not like a game jam that we worked on for like 2 hours.
What is that little image? I like that one. This one's. I like this little icon. I like that.
It's kind of tough.
Concave, convex. Yeah, no, I guess it's just like a, because the CSG box and shit, this turns into a concave always, even though it's only a convex thing. But let me make sure that convex polygons have. It doesn't look like they do actually. They might not have How many points do you need? You need at least 4, right, for a 3D collision. I guess you only need 3 technically for like the triangle, but let's see that this could be 5 and 5 then. That looks like a shape to me.
Sure does.
Okay, yeah, so maybe you actually can't flip a convex collision
Well, you
shape.
have to
Like
click
you
on
can't
the
do
shape.
back face on
Wait,
that.
no.
Yeah,
Stupid.
this is the shape.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Rip.
it's okay.
It's over.
Yeah. If I were to add like a static body 3D, I don't think I can do that on here, right? Yeah, I can't tell it like to do a backwards thing. This is gonna be like friction and shit, right? Yeah. So I guess not. This could be
I love how you
this
can just
could
make
be
like
concave.
a random 3D scene into the 2D game.
Yeah, and then you can just like close it and it's gone forever, or you could embed it in like a sub viewport.
Yeah.
It's quite cool.
One
thing.
game.
So one thing I was thinking about maybe doing was
Uh-oh, he's thinking.
because we have a lot of data and like assets that aren't actually being used. It may be worth going through and killing some of the ones that we're not using, so that whenever we upload it to Steam, it doesn't include like the fucking
Although, like,
the old
I
sprites
don't think
or
that's a big deal, right? Like for the full build, yes, definitely.
yeah.
But for like the playtest, I
Or
don't
also,
think
like,
it
I mean,
really
like, the
matters.
input prompts as well. Like, this folder that just froze my Godot because someone decided to split it into every single tile in the tile set.
I didn't. It came like that.
All 815. Someone did. Even if it wasn't you.
It was Kenny.
Kenneth. So yeah, we could probably, like... I mean, what's the size of the file? Or the size of the folder that is part of?
Can't be that
Input
big.
prompts. What's your guess?
I don't know.
3 megabytes, or actual size is about 900 kilobytes.
That's not that big.
It's not, but still, I mean, extra assets that we don't need. might
Isn't
be
that
worth
like the
just,
entirety of Fortnite or something?
Yeah.
No, that's the wrong.
We can also, one cool thing about about Godot is when you export, you can choose what resources you want. So, so you can actually choose like the folders. So we want all of our scripts,
Yeah.
or if we want like to exclude like the old abilities, or like if we wanted to exclude like certain things. So we actually could like
So you can pick specific ones.
yeah, which is really cool and
That is
really
very
nice.
interesting.
Yeah, like we'd probably want like all of these except for like we would want the usable cards and not the unusable ones, because we can just like keep those gone so that
Yeah.
like any of the hidden ones could stay hidden, and that way we're not like leaking beta content. But yeah, so we can do things like that. Same thing with these as well, like, you know, only exporting the rooms that we actually want.
Yeah.
Yeah. Except we could also do this instead, where it's everything except for specific ones. So if we want to export everything except for the add-ons, which we can't do because GDSFXR or GDFXR has to be exported. And so does this one now because I'm S-Cheeks. We should actually remove those from the level, they're only in the empty start room. So I think we could actually just get rid of those.
Yeah, but we should keep all the things in, so if people want to decompile it and steal all of our code, they can.
That's true. Okay, it sounds like you're dying though,
I'm
so
dying.
I think maybe we call stream for tonight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully I'll be feeling
Alright,
a little bit
well-
better in the morning. We'll see.
Yeah. All right, I will tidy up some of the lists and I'll send things over to you so that you have a clear picture of where we are, and then we can hopefully have this in a good spot that we feel like building it and playtest tomorrow. But yeah, I will go ahead and end stream. We're gonna call it here. We will be back on. I don't know. We might stream Friday or Saturday. It'll probably likely be Sunday though. It depends. We could stream during the playtest. I'm not sure though. It'd be kind of cool to get like a couple of people together and have them playtest Dante's 9 and then stream that.
That would actually be fun. Yeah, maybe we could do that on Sunday because that would give us like a day to if there's like bugs or anything to fix up.
Yeah. All right. Well, good night, people. Thank you guys
night.
for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by. We will be back on Sunday unless otherwise posted.
This is
Bye
true.
bye.
Good night.